Hey folks, what if I tell you there is an app that keeps sensitive data safe on your phone and can vanish everything in seconds if things get risky? Then there is one that steps in when your self-control fails, quietly blocking distractions so you can actually focus again. And another that turns your voice into different language almost instantly, like traveling without the awkward pauses. Now these are hidden Play Store apps that somehow fly under the radar. So stick around until the end because one of these might be the upgrade your phone didn't even know it needed. Excited? So let's get started. Kicking off the list with Tella, which is a powerful tool for securely capturing and organizing sensitive contents like photos, videos, or documents. With encryption, quick delete features, and app disguise options, it ensures your data stays protected in risky situations. This open source app is designed for environments with limited or no internet connection and helps protect your file through robust encryption. Whether you are capturing photos, videos, or audio recordings directly in the app or importing documents, everything stays encrypted until the app is unlocked. You can easily organize your files into folders, and for added discretion, it also lets you change its app icon and name to something harmless like a calculator. Now, if you need to quickly erase everything, no problem. Tella's quick delete feature allows you to wipe sensitive data in seconds. For groups and organization, the app also supports collection through customizable forms, sending info directly to your server. It's pretty awesome for journalists, activists, or anyone documenting critical events. Next up we have Lock Me Out, which is a robust app blocker designed to help users regain control over their smartphone usage and curb app addiction. Whether you find yourself constantly scrolling through social media or checking emails instead of focusing on tasks, it offers a solution by temporarily blocking chosen apps or websites. With 3 different app blocking modes at your fingertips, it gives you the freedom to customize your experience. Whether you want to block specific apps, allow only a select few, or stick to just the lock screen, the choice is yours. It's like having your own personal bouncer for your apps. But wait, it gets even better. This app goes the extra mile with usage-based lockouts automatically kicking in when you have spent too much time on a certain app or your screen time is through the roof. And if that's not enough, you can even schedule lockout periods to fit your routine. Are you sick of all your photos looking like they came straight out of a hyper-polished Instagram filter factory? Meet Glit, your pocket-sized blast from the past. This retro photo editor turns your phone into a nostalgic 90s disposable camera, complete with light leaks, dusty texture, and that grainy goodness we used to call bad quality, but now totally romanticized. It's perfectly imperfect, and that's the whole vibe. Let's say you're out for a late night walk and you snap a picture of a neon lit street corner. With a regular editor, you would just boost the contrast and call it a night. But with Glit, you can give the photo the vibe, dusty reds, a soft blur, a streak of rainbow light leaks, and grain that feels like real film, not a digital sticker. Now what makes it extra cool is that there is no AI and no cloud processing. Everything happens on your phone, so your photos and your privacy stay yours. Next up we have Comfer Launcher. Now I stumbled onto this launcher while trying to tame my chaotic home screen, and honestly it feels like someone finally designed a launcher for people who are just tired. The moment you set it as your default, you're greeted with this calm minimal layout that instantly makes your phone feel less overwhelming. The circular quick app design is surprisingly charming, and tapping the search button brings up a smooth, super fast search pad that finds apps faster than I can remember where I put them. Swiping up opens a clean, uniquely styled app drawer, and I loved how easy it is to navigate with just one hand. Now what really makes it stick though is how naturally it fits into everyday life. The other morning I was half awake trying to open my banking app to check a payment, and instead of digging through folders, I just typed 2 letters and it popped right up. No stress, no hunting. The gesture control and customization options make the whole experience feel personal without being complicated. Between the minimalist look, the thoughtful layout, and the fact that it's completely private and ad-free, Comfer Launcher gives your Android phone a genuinely fresh, focused feel. If you're in the market for a no-nonsense video player that's free of ads, Next Player could be exactly what you need for your Android device. It's all about keeping things simple, with a clean design that makes it super easy to just dive into your videos without any fuss. Now what's great about this player is that it handles pretty much any format you throw at it, whether it's audio like MP3 and AAC or video formats like H.264 and AV1. It even supports streaming without formats like Dash and HLS. Need subtitles? No problem. Next Player works with SRT and ASS formats seamlessly. The controls are really intuitive too. You can adjust the brightness and volume with a quick swipe up or down, skip through your videos by swiping left or right, and even zoom in with a pinch. Plus, it's got some nice extra likes playback speed control, picture-in-picture mode, and support for external subtitles. And here's the best part, it's totally free, open source, and there are no ads or unnecessary permission to worry about. So if you're looking for a solid straightforward video player, give this app a shot. Now if regular antivirus apps feels like overprotective parents, Athena is more like a smart, no-nonsense bodyguard who doesn't nag but always has your back. It's a security and privacy app for Android that blocks malware, trackers, shady apps, and even sneaky background connections, all without needing root access. Now here is a real-life scenario. Now have you ever downloaded a random flashlight app and later realized it was quietly sending data to who knows where? With this app, you can simply block that app's internet access entirely. And boom, flashlight still works, but your data stays put. It's like cutting the gossip line while keeping the lights on. The app also gives you fine-grained control. Block websites by category, stop fingerprinting attempts, and even monitor network traffic if you're curious about what's happening under the hood. And the best part, everything runs locally on your phone offline. And despite all this power, the interface is clean and modern, so you don't feel like you're configuring a spaceship just to stay safe. If you're after a browser that's packed with features but still easy to use, you should definitely check out Soul Browser. It's got everything you need to make your web browsing smoother and more enjoyable. With a built-in ad blocker, video downloader, and a ton of customization options, you can really make it your own. It comes with some super handy features like automatic translation, data saving, and a dark theme. You can tweak everything from the layout and menus to gesture and the search bar. For privacy, it offers incognito mode, keyboard security, and even a lock screen options. Now, one of the best things about Soul Browser is that it does not require any permissions, so you can get a secure and private browsing experience. Whether you are looking for a fast download, a clean browsing mode, or just love to customize, this is the browser that you have been looking for. Next app on the list is AI Translate Voice Translator, and as the name suggests, it's a voice translator. It uses advanced voice recognition and AI to deliver accurate translation in a bunch of different languages. Whether you are translating spoken words or text, this app has everything you need. Now what's cool about this app is that it's not just about translation. It also includes a full dictionary of with definition and verb conjunctions, which makes it a great tool for both language learner and travelers. You can either speak or type what you need to be translated, and the app will not only translate it but also read it back to you with the correct pronunciation and accent. The app even lets you share translation as text or audio, which is super useful when you are on the go. Plus, it has some advanced features like Smart Bubble for translating specific words accurately and an AI assistant that helps with context, making sure you get the right meaning. Whether you're traveling, learning a new language, or just handling multilingual businesses, AI Translate Voice Translator makes communication a breeze. It is a must-have app if you want to break down language barrier and connect more easily with others. Exodus is an indispensable Android application that imparts you with knowledge about the hidden trackers embedded in the apps installed on your smartphone. It provides detailed insight into the trackers lurking within your app and the permission they require. This transparency allows you to make informed decisions about the app you use and the data you share. Imagine you have installed a popular social media app. With this app, you can quickly check if the app includes any trackers and what permissions it requires. This app offers a comprehensive list of permissions each app requests, helping you assess the necessity and the potential risks. By gaining a deeper understanding of your digital privacy, you can take steps to protect it. Our next app is called Film Stimulator. And if you love the classic film look but don't want to deal with actual film cameras, this app is perfect for you. This open source app lets you apply various film stock styles to your photos, giving them the nostalgic cinematic feel. Whether you are after the rich tones of Kodak, the moody vibes of Fujifilm, or a vintage black and white aesthetics, this app has you covered. Now what makes this app stand out is its simplicity. No ads, no bloat. Just a clean interface that lets you focus on editing. You can even experiment with different film stocks and instantly see how they transform your photos. Plus, since it is open source, it's completely free. So if you're a fan of film photography or just want to add some authentic character to your shots, this app is a must try.